getting shoved through the door, that's the thing that you said went viral?
I need to make sure no one else is going to have the same experience I had with this woman. I do believe that she should not be allowed to work around human beings.
So this young woman, she comes inside of the store. I've seen her in there quite a few times. She purchased something, and then she decides to return it the next day.
We're here for case number 8303, Victoria Madison versus Simone Ellis. Ladies, can you come to the podium, please? Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Morning.
Miss Madison, you're filing a suit against Miss Ellis for the amount of $500,000 for civil assault, battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress and reputable harm. Am I reading this correctly?
Right, correct.
What in the world happened? You all right? You okay? Did you get hurt or, oh.
Yes. But I'm not here just for this,
Okay.
for pain that I'm going through, for you have all my medical documents, Your Honor, I'm pretty sure. I'm not just here for physical damage that this woman caused for me, but also I'm here to make sure no one else is going to have the same experience I had with this woman. I do believe that she should not be allowed to work around human beings. And the emotional damage, the humiliation that I went through. There was a video of the accident that went viral, and Mango Park is a small city. It's reputation. I'm like, literally, I'm traumatized with what happened.
I can see that, but okay, let's back up a few steps. What happened?
I was at her shop, at her store, which I sometimes go there after work.
What type of store is this?
There are clothes and like decorative items that she sells. Like It's like a boutique.
Okay, it's a boutique.
You can tell
okay.
from the way and it was not my first time being there. And I'm taking this decorative candle and I'm looking at it. It's made of glass. Next thing I heard is, put that back. Not as if that's a command. And I didn't even have a moment to turn back, and she grabbed my arm. That's the next thing I see, that my arm is grabbed and she's pulling me and she's shouting at me. And then the rest was muted because I cannot remember one word she said, but a lot of bad words. And she pushed me to the store door and was trying to just shove me and push me out of the store, which she did. And people around were filming. Some people laughed. They thought we're doing some social media trick or like, I don't know, hidden camera going on there. But it was real. And then some people were shocked. The rest were laughing. They filmed it. And that's it. And I got out of...
you getting shoved through the door, that's the thing that you said went viral? Did I hear that correctly?
Out. The whole process that she just grabbed me from that candle part, from like that aisle, and then she just pulled me to the door and she pushed me out. That whole process, like I had this out of body experience. I don't want to remember what happened, but I've never been humiliated this much in my life. I went to that store as a customer. I literally was out of that store as a criminal in the city now.
Okay, and you said that there were people who filmed the incident from the time you picked up the candle to the time you got forced out of the store?
From the time that she started attacking me physically.
Okay, did she say why she was attacking you?
She said, put that back, and she just went crazy, and she came at me, and she just grabbed me in a blink of a second. Like, unbelievable.
Judge Porter.
Miss Ellis.
Oh, wow. I don't even know where to begin. This story...
Start at the beginning. This boutique that she's referring to, are you familiar with it?
I am the owner of a small boutique.
Okay. The one that she's referring to, correct?
The one she's referring to.
Okay.
So this young woman, she comes inside of the store. I've seen her in there quite a few times. She purchased something, and then she decides to return it the next day. Per our policy, you have 7 days to return an unworn items. This young lady wore the item, but I still took it back against my better judgment. She's notorious. She has a reputation around for going inside of different stores, purchasing people clothes and bringing it back, or shoplifting. So When
So
she
this is
said,
an
Hold
accusation.
on,
You need to
ma'am,
prove
ma'am,
that.
ma'am.
I'm talking to the judge.
She
I'm
didn't
not talking to
interrupt
you.
you.
Yeah, but you say shoplifting.
Ma'am,
Is that
ma'am,
there?
ma'am, she didn't
Oh,
interrupt you while you
gosh.
were speaking. Please give her the floor, okay? You can do that for me? Ms.
Thank
Ellis, please
you.
continue.
So, like I said, she's notorious for going around shoplifting from
Okay, now when you
stores.
say that she's notorious, what is the other businesses in the area? Because I remember when I was a police officer, there was a state where the other businesses in the like a certain area, they would kind of like look out for each other and says, "Hey, look out for this person," or "This person
Yes.
passes counterfeit money." Or
The
"This
case
person does
just
this."
took
That's
a
kind of the
shocking
network system you guys
turn.
have in place.
Under
Yes.
U.S.
Okay, please
law,
continue.
a
I have a
business
really good
owner may
relationship with a
detain
lot
a
of other business
suspected
owners in the
shoplifter,
area,
but
and
only
one of the
with
business
reasonable
owners, they actually
force.
had her picture
Did
in the
this
window.
boutique
So
owner
when she
cross the
says
legal
that
line,
her
or was
reputation's
she
ruined, she's
protecting
already
her
done that by
property?
herself.
Viewers
Okay.
will be
Shoplifting
torn
from the
between
beginning.
sympathy and
Secondly, when
suspicion.
she said that I grabbed her, notice she's wearing a brace right here. She said I grabbed her up here.
I noticed that.
So let's be very clear and make sure that we're telling the truth.
Okay, now the question that I have is, why did you feel that it was necessary to grab her to begin with?
Well, when you feel a suspicion of someone shoplifting from your store, my camera already caught her stuffing things into her bag.
That is.
She picked up a candle, and after that, my other employee told me to tell, my other employee came to me and was like, she now has a candle. She has
Oh,
to
so
leave.
you guys were watching her activity from the time
Yes,
she
I've
walked
already
in.
saw her.
Oh,
I
okay.
saw her already.
Continue.
So I'm I'm lining up the things for when I get ready to call the police so that I could get a restraining order, and she's forbidden to come inside of my store ever again. So when she said that I grabbed her, I didn't grab her just because. I didn't even grab her with extensive force. Like, I literally just grabbed her shoulder, like, hey, like, you can't leave the store here. Like, I already called the
I'm
police.
sorry, was she trying to leave the store?
She was trying to leave the store with the merchandise.
All right.
That's not true.
Okay,
Yes,
hold
it is.
on.
That's not
Hold
true.
on. Ma'am, I don't know how your boutique is set up, but does your business have, because I don't even know if they use cash registers anymore, but you guys do have like a point of sale device.
Yes.
You accept cash, you accept
Yes.
credit card, you accept digital payments.
Apple Pay, yes.
Okay. Did she make an attempt to stop at that point of sale area to purchase the thing, or did she go past that?
No, she went past that.
Okay. And after
She
she
went
went
past
past
that.
that, what happened next?
She tried to exit the store.
And then what did you do?
I stopped her from exiting the store. And
Okay.
then right then and there, I
And
called
that's
the
when you
police.
Grab.
Yeah, that's when I grabbed her and I stopped her from exiting the store. And I asked her to take out the merchandise that she has in her bag. She told me no because she didn't have anything. But when the police got there, they pulled everything out of her bag. And I have the police report. So for her to come in here with this brace on her wrist, it's outrageous. I think that's insane.
Well, I'm trying to understand what did the police say to you about the items in your bag?
The police didn't arrest me or anything. The police was called there because of the violence that happened, and customers called the police. Not number one.
Okay.
Point number two. She's telling me that I passed I passed the line.
The point of sale.
No, the point of sale. No, that's not what happened. She caught me at the aisle, at right away where the item was. That was contradiction in her narrative too.
May you ask her
then
what she was doing when I caught her
No,
down the aisle?
no.
Ask her
No,
that.
we need
Please.
we need to reach a conclusion where exactly in that store I was attacked or stopped by her.
Okay.
Right?
All
so
right.
there are footages. Where are those footages?
Funny
Right
you
question.
should say that. Do you happen to have any type of video evidence right now to show me the surveillance from do you have that with you?
Yes, I do. Would
May
you like
I?
to see it? Okay.
Yeah, it's on your phone?
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, why the police couldn't have those footages and now you have it on your phone and showing it to sorry, it's AI.
Hold on. Yeah, that's you. Yeah, that's you trying to walk out the store.
Yeah, we watched Taylor Swift in White House.
Hold
so,
on.
This is like
And
police
that's her.
didn't have any footage.
Hold on,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Hold on.
Everything
And that's
changes
you
with
being grabbed
one
and
surveillance
being pulled
video.
back into the store.
If authentic video
Case, okay.
evidence can completely reshape
And it was
a
no
civil
excessive force.
case, but what if someone claims it's
No, no, no,
AI
I don't know what
So-
you
generated?
saw. I have
okay,
no,
I'm
Would
gonna
you
tell you what I
trust
saw.
this footage
I'm going to tell
or
you,
demand
ma'am,
stronger
I'm going
proof
to tell you what I saw.
before believing it?
I just saw
Viewers
a
will
video
start
surveillance
questioning every frame.
inside of a boutique,
on a phone.
and I saw you, yes, on a phone, and you're on the video, and you're walking out of the store. You do have like some type of shoulder bag or whatever, and she's on the video too. And hold on, and you're trying to make it to the door. You're not running, you're just walking through.
Yeah.
And she does grab you by your arm. Apparently there's some words exchanged, and she's trying to pull you in, and you're trying to fight against that.
True.
That is what I saw.
Great.
Does that sound accurate to you?
Yeah. So I can make the same video, you doing it in the same store. Literally, right? There are a lot of website and AI. So
Let me get this right.
No, can I say? Your
Hold
Honor,
on, woman.
is
Hold
it
on. Wait.
Crazy.
You're trying to tell this court that
It's not funny.
she used artificial intelligence to post your picture to show you on a surveillance video shoplifting. And the reason that she did that was because what now? Help me out,
I have a question for you.
please.
Police was there. Were they able to retrieve any footages from her camera? No. Because what did she say that? It's in the report. Because she said, I don't have any footages, my cameras were not on. That's what she said. So how is it now on her phone there is a footage? And she shows it to you. Why police was not able
That's
to
not
retrieve
true.
any footage from those cameras?
Ma'am.
Point number one.
Ma'am,
Point number two.
ma'am.
My photo in
That's
another
crazy.
store
Oh my
that I was
God.
wanted, whatever. I'm very well known in the city. I make enough money. I'm an engineer. I'm sorry. You can go around and ask about my reputation. I come to your store with a Gucci bag and a
I'm
pair of
sorry,
Fendi
do
sunglasses and
engineers
designer
shoplift?
shoes. Why do I need to steal or shoplift a $20 handmade ugly candle? This is literally.
Oh,
like,
it's
you need to
ugly
do
now.
something.
It didn't stop you from shoplifting
Okay,
before.
and now you're deflecting.
No,
now
you're
this is what you're
deflecting.
doing. You're deflecting.
You're
This is
deflecting.
No,
ugly.
no, hold
What
on,
you're
ladies.
doing to someone's life is ugly.
Ladies. You did say it was an ugly candle. You said that. You just said that.
I said police were not. Was
You
not
just
able
said,
to
hold on.
retrieve any
Wait a
footage that
minute. Wait
day.
a minute. You just said it was an ugly candle. So how did that ugly candle end up in your bag?
It did not end up in my bag at
Nothing
all.
ended up in your bag?
What is the evidence that the ugly candle was in my bag, Your Honor?
Because
Please show me
here's-
that evidence.
Because here's the thing, ma'am. Here's the thing. This young lady has video evidence of you putting stuff.
Why police
Let me
doesn't
finish.
have the video evidence?
If you cut me off one more time, I'm going to send you to jail to think about it. Okay? There is video evidence, surveillance camera evidence of you putting items inside your bag, you walking past the point of sale devices, you walking towards the front door to walk out, to exit. In this city, that's called stealing. As my grandmother used to call it, thieving. And you got caught. That's basically what happened. She intercepted you to retrieve the property. She pulled you back into the store. She has that legal right. You are taking her stuff. She has a right to defend her property. She has that right. She's pulling you into the thing, and like I saw on the thing, on the video, you're struggling. I'm not understanding why you're struggling, because it looks like you're struggling to get out, but you have her items in your bag. The video shows you putting items in the bag. And what's funny is the reason that the videos are on you, watching you as you enter the store is because you have a reputation within the area. Now, whether that's true or not, I don't know. I haven't talked to the other shop owners. But what I do know is that they have a heightened level of suspicion when you walk in. And they're like, you know what? Let's give her the benefit of the doubt. Let's see what she does. Oh, doggone it. She did it. Let me go stop her, get my stuff back. Did you retrieve
Reputation
the property?
alone
Yes,
isn't
the
evidence,
police
but
eventually gave it back
actions
to
can
me.
speak
Okay.
louder than words. The
So-
judge
Your Honor,
focuses on
can I?
alleged
So my
shoplifting,
question to
not
you
public
is, why are you
embarrassment.
suing her?
Did the plaintiff
if you're
destroy
the one
her own
stealing?
case,
help me
or was
understand
critical
that.
My
evidence
question
overlooked?
for you, Your
Expect
Honor, and for this
heated
court
debate
is,
from the
I
comments.
why
asked,
you're
wait,
taking a
no,
narrative with no
ma'am,
evidence.
ma'am, you don't answer a question with a question. Why are you suing her if you're the one that got caught stealing? How does that work?
I'm suing her because I'm the one who's going to physical therapy in the past 5 months. It's not her. I'm suing her because my reputation is on the line and everyone now looks at me in a weird way. I went viral on TikTok and Instagram, even out of Hangar
I
Park
don't
City.
know you, and I'm looking at you in a weird
You
way.
don't know me, but you
It's
don't know her
crazy.
either. Or maybe you know her because you're accepting her narrative and you're not accepting my narrative. And she has no evidence, no proof.
Oh.
I'm telling you, there was no footage found in the police report.
You
but you trust
were
that footage to
caught
I'm sorry, I'm
stealing.
talking.
Don't lie.
By whom? By police? By authorities? No, by someone who says I was caught. Where are the witnesses?
Are you mental?
Unhinged.
Is there something
Unhinged.
wrong with
It's
you?
I need an attorney. I think I need an attorney here.
You should have brought an
A
attorney. You
random
had that.
citizen,
You
a
had,
random citizen.
ma'am. You had that option. You decided to come in here to defend yourself.
Yes.
That's on you. Sucks to be you.
For
You had
someone
that option.
who's willing to listen to me. For someone who's willing to
I am
listen
listening,
to
and
me.
I have listened, and I've listened to her, and I've looked at the stuff.
No, you're repeating her narrative.
No,
Where
I
are
am.
the witnesses in the shop? Why are you laughing? You know,
That's
that
so-
has been always
This is
my point of
insane,
weakness
like-
in life because I get angry and emotional and I really like words fail me. And people who can keep this because she's definitely has done that before.
Okay, I tell you
She's a
what.
dangerous human being.
I tell you what.
There is a line between protecting your own property and violating
Miss
and
Madison,
attacking
Miss
people.
Madison. Now I'm going to get emotional and express
I'm
myself.
sorry, Your Honor. This is not funny. I just don't. Is there
Hey,
anything
let
I'm
me
missing
tell you something.
here?
Hold up. This is my courtroom. You don't tell me a damn thing how to do things in this courtroom. Not here. No. Okay?
Yeah, that's how.
Because
power
I can
dynamic works.
ruin your day real quick.
I have no doubt about that, Your
So,
Honor.
this is what we're going to do. First off, your suit that you filed against her, that is dismissed. That's going nowhere. You better not. Now, I need you to understand something. She has a right to protect her property,
Absolutely.
okay? If she catches you in the act of stealing her property, she has a right to detain you. She has that right, okay? Hold you down, do whatever it takes to make sure you don't get away with her property. She has that right. If you want to fight and she decides, I'm going to fight you back, oh, well, that's on you. Because if you guys get into a scuffle, and it didn't happen, but if it gets into a scuffle and you end up in ER, that's on you. Because you shouldn't have been stealing. That's on you.
Stealing? I'm not.
You
sorry.
got caught stealing. And you're sitting here talking
By?
about, oh, I have a Gucci bag.
By
How do I-
police?
Woman, you open your mouth one more time. If you
Sorry to
you
fight.
talk about you have a designer bag and all this other stuff, and I'm like, okay, who's to say you didn't steal that? Okay, I'm not impressed by the optics that you present when you show up somewhere. The only optics I'm concerned about is what's on her surveillance video of you stealing property. You got caught. Own up to it. Hey, you know what? I got caught. Now, here's the thing. She didn't ask for it, but I'm going to give it to her. I'm going to issue a trespass warning. You are not allowed to go
This is so
inside
funny.
of her store. If you go inside of her store for anything, I don't care if you ran a marathon and you had to run inside her store because you needed a drink of water to save your life. No, you will not walk inside her store for anything. I don't care if you were having a heart attack and you came inside her store because you needed medical assistance. You will be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand?
Can you also add a restraining order? Because I think
I'm not going to issue her the
This is
restraining order. I will
unbelievable.
issue the trespass warning.
unbelievable.
And I suggest that you get in contact with the other businesses. Let
Okay.
them know the events that occurred here today. Maybe they also want to get restraining order. Trespass.
The
The courtroom
trespass
battle
to get
may be
served.
over, but the
So that block
controversy
where those
isn't.
businesses are,
One
I
side
wouldn't go back
promises
there if I
more
were you,
lawsuits,
because your
the other
reputation in that area
celebrates
is
victory.
shot. Do you
Was this
understand?
true justice or just the beginning of
understand?
another legal
That's
war?
Talk?
yeah.
What's your verdict?
No,
Drop it
you
in
can
the
talk, but the only
comments.
thing you can say is yes or no. Do you understand?
I do.
Good. Case dismissed.
It's not the first time that we see courts can be corrupted. It's definitely not the first time. I'm surprised by Judge Porter, who actually went toward the whole court session based on no factual evidence. And I really wish that our people in courtrooms get some trainings about AI, about technology that is in the world, so they wouldn't just count on a video on someone's phone as a point of evidence. So I do not appreciate this. I'll definitely hire better lawyers, and I'm going to go after both people, but it's specifically Judge Porter. Thank you.
So I just want to say thank you to Judge Porter for ruling in my favor. This woman is very unhinged. I think something is seriously wrong with her. I would like to request a restraining order. So I'm going to get in contact with the rest of the business owners in the area, and we're going to go from there. But also, I think I'm going to countersue her. I'm going to bring her back to court because she caused so much emotional distress. And on top of that, defamation of character from all the reviews and everything that she's written on my website and the stuff that she posted on social media. So you will be seeing me again.